So in this example, where do we start? If we're adding -3 plus 5, where would I start? What's the number that I'm starting at? Am I starting at 5 or am I starting at -3? -3, okay? Now, when we're adding integers, when we're adding positive integers, we're adding 5. Am I gonna move to the right or left? We're gonna move to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -3 plus 5 is equal to +2. Now I can write 2 or I can write, we don't have to put the positive sign, okay? When it's positive, you can just write the number 2. Okay, so for example B, -5 plus 2. So once again, where would we start on the number line? Start at -5 and we're adding. It's increasing by 2, +2. So am I gonna move left or right? Right, how many?
Twice.
So we end up at -3. Okay, example C, 5 plus -2. Even though there's no symbol in front of the 5, we know that it's going to be a +5, right? When there's no sign, it's positive. When there's a sign, when it shows a negative, then we know it's negative. So for 5 plus -2, where would we start for this one? Where do we start? You? Okay, we're starting at 5, so everyone put a little dot on 5. This time we're adding a negative. If you have positives and you're adding in a negative, do you think the number is going to get larger or smaller? Smaller. If you're adding in negatives, it's going to get smaller, which means are we going to move to the right or left? To the left. So how many spaces? 1, 2, we end up at 3. So the answer to this is positive. Okay, now example C. We have -5 and we're adding in a -2. So where do we start for this one, Amy? -5 and we're adding -2. So again, is it gonna get larger or smaller if we're adding a negative? Smaller, so we're gonna move to the left and we end up at -.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.